Getting 1,000 subscribers is actually easy. It's not really frustrating the way you think, but you're making it frustrating or you're making it difficult for yourself because you feel 1,000 subscribers is a whole lot, but it's actually not a whole lot. 1,000 subscribers is something you can get ASAP. ASAP means as soon as possible. So now in this video, I am going to be telling you how you can be able to achieve your 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, as quick as possible.
Is deeonojas.
So guys, the first step in getting your 1,000 subscribers depend on you. Remember that your first 100 subscribers, you practically have to beg. Like I practically have to beg for my first 100 subscribers. I just need to tell you the truth. I need to be open to you. Yes, when I work, so when I go to the office, I collect my colleague's phone, I subscribe. When I see people, in fact, it's got to a point. But even if I see you in the car, I'll tell you like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber. That's because I actually want to take YouTube serious, and I'm not even ready to give up at all, no matter how slow the business might seem. I believe in the future I am going to reap or enjoy everything I've invested in. So your first 100 subscribers need to come from your family, your friends, your colleagues, the people around you. You need to practically tell them, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You need to also always remind them that, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Because some persons, you will tell them, they will tell you, yes, I will subscribe. But because YouTube is not their business, or you are not their business, once they just go to their various locations, they just forget about it. So you need to practically tell them. And what I do basically is I make sure I have data in my phone, so that when you tell me that I don't have recharge card or I don't have data, I will tell you I can hotspot you. All you need to do is to subscribe. And if you're still finding it more difficult to subscribe, I tell you, please give me your phone, let me do the subscription for you. The second way to get your 1,000 subscribers, or what has really worked for me, is by posting consistently. Yes, the view might not be coming. Like if you check my videos now, the ones I'm posting now, the view is even lower. But if you check my videos earlier, you find that my views are picking up. Yes, post consistently. See, let me tell you, if you want to take YouTube as a business, you need to bring out your mind, you need to bring out your creativity, you need to bring out everything for people, or for YouTube to see that this person is actually ready for me, and I'm going to be ready for this person. Consistent posting. If you check my videos, I post over 200 and something videos. Like, this is not to say the one you're posting is not okay, or you're posting too small. No, I'm not saying that. But those video, some of this video give me 2, 3, 4 subscribers coming from east, west, north, and south. And in fact, when I mean post consistently, post anything your hands can lay on. Because if you check my videos, in fact, you will see different I'm not trying to say finding your niche is not important. Finding your niche is important, but first you are a starter, so you just need to do anything that your hand can be fixed in, because you're not yet a big celebrities. It really works for me. I post different type of content. I post TikTok content, I post celebrity content, and the rest of that. And luckily for me, one of my video was able to pick up, which is a video I did about Regina Daniels, pick up to 10k views, and I was able to get up to like 400 and something subscribers coming from that video alone. So that is another platform, or that is another way I was able to achieve my first 500 subscribers on YouTube. So post your 1,000 subscribers. The third way that has really helped me, and I feel and I know that it will help you, is collaborations. Collaboration videos are very important, no matter how small your YouTuber are. In fact, don't be too stingy by looking up to all these big YouTubers. You want to collaborate with big YouTubers, you are very wicked. You have 100 subscribers, or you have 500 subscribers, and you want to collaborate with people that have up to 100 and a million subscribers. That's wickedness. If they are not your sister, stay away from their line. Collaborate with small YouTubers like you that can be able to help you push out your video. I collaborate with a particular guy called Mickey Manata. Yeah, I collaborated with him. He was actually a small YouTuber, and then he has 500 and something subscribers, while I had 400 and something subscribers. Okay, so after the collaboration, I got up to like 20 or 50 subscribers coming from that boy's video because I did a collaboration with him, and most of them will be like, I'm asked to come subscribe from Mickey Manata, I'm asked to come check out your videos from Mickey Manata, and the rest of that. And I also told some of my good subscribers to also go help me subscribe to his channel, and he has also called me to make a whole lot of good news that most of my subscribers are coming, that is seeing my hand. So collaborating with people that are in your level also. So another way to get your 1000 YouTube subscriber is to post your YouTube videos, the link to your YouTube videos on different social media platforms. Yes, I did this and it is working for me. Okay, despite the fact that I stopped posting now because I've already got my YouTube, my 1000 YouTube subscribers, and I just want YouTube to just push my content on their own without my stress. See, posting your videos on other social media platforms helps. Like when you have your WhatsApp, I know 99% of us do WhatsApp. You can post it on your WhatsApp status and also recommend people to go watch that video. In fact, what I practically do during my time, people were even tired of me, especially people that are on my WhatsApp. If you are coming from my WhatsApp, just comment down below. They were tired of me because once I post a video, I make sure I share to each and every one. So as far as you're on my WhatsApp list, or as long as you're on my WhatsApp list, you're definitely going to get my link, my YouTube link. Even if 50% of persons will not watch, but I bet you 20% of persons will go from my WhatsApp link to watch. I also do well to post it on my Facebook. Yes, I post it on my Facebook to also tell people that I have a YouTube channel. Please, I would like you to go and watch. So I share my link and people actually go from my Facebook to my YouTube. I also do well to post on my my TikTok as well. My TikTok page is the place I have my largest audience. So I have my YouTube channel linked to my TikTok, and I also do remind people anytime I'm going live that please, I have a YouTube channel, please go well and subscribe. And I have a whole lot of people coming to tell me, D, I subscribe, I went to your YouTube channel and I subscribed to your channel. Okay, so posting your content or posting your YouTube link on different social media platforms will also help you to generate that particular desire of 1K. Getting your 1000 YouTube subscriber is by posting your videos on your community tab. YouTube has made it more easy for us now that once you get up to 500 subscribers, the community tab will be open for you. Okay, so when you post your video on your YouTube channel, you can also post it on your community tab for quick. I believe that one work fast. Yes, it work faster. You get so it work faster. So posting it on your community tab will also help you. So if you're not posting your videos on your community tab, please do well to post and push. You can actually get your 1000 subscribers by creating a good thumbnails. That's just the truth. Good thumbnails attract. That's the truth. That video that actually gave me 10K, sometimes I just go back to the thumbnail and be like, what else did I do in this thumbnail that actually gave me this 10,000 views, and what can I do in other of my video thumbnails that can actually bring those desired views to me. Okay, so posting creating a good thumbnail, no matter how stupid your video is, no matter how useless your video is, but if your thumbnails are good, your thumbnails are catchy, it can be able to get you subscribers. Giving a catchy title that will attract people, title that when people see they will love to watch, title that when YouTube see it as well, YouTube will also like to recommend those titles like people like to see how to do this, how can I do this, I'm not saying only how to, but I'm just trying to say make your title catchy. Like there's this YouTuber I always watch, Dinah Ekweme. Like you always know me. She's my person. I vibe with her. Okay, I vibe with some few Port Harcourt YouTubers like Dinah Ekweme, Nelly Okeke, and Adeze Space and the rest of that. I don't really have time to start mentioning them all here. Like when I see their titles, I'll be like, how are they creating this title? Because when I see the title, I rush to that place to go and watch, and it's related. So don't go and do clickbait. Yes, don't go and say how to cry today, and now you come to the video, you're not even saying anything about it, you're saying a different thing. That's actually a clickbait. Okay, and when people start noticing that you're doing clickbait, they will run away from you. So don't go and do that. So but creating a good title that can attract your audience, that can attract people, can also help you get viewers and also give you subscribers. So these are ways I was able to achieve my first 1000 subscribers, and I hope this is able to help anyone seeing this video out there. If you've not subscribed to my channel at this point of this video, what are you waiting for? Hit on my subscribe button. Okay, at this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and vlogs. So with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next